Conservatively 30 LPA. Okay. We've also noted down the top 5 skills that are required to become a prompt engineer. Now, what is left to start earning, right? Isn't it? What is left? We need to start earning. But for us to start earning, what we need to do is we need to start learning this. So if we want to start learning this, how do we learn? There has to be a roadmap or a blueprint, right? There has to be a method. What if I tell you that I'm about to show you a roadmap or a blueprint that is tried and tested, foolproof, will make sure that you are successful, guarantee success, and is absolutely easy and can be completed in less than a span of 1 month. Are you guys ready to read? Are you guys ready to go through that roadmap? This entire roadmap seamlessly transitions into your actual data science roadmap. That means if you don't have to spend 6 months learning Python and Power BI, in fact, if you focus on prompt engineering, you could actually learn data science rather in the span of just 6 months with this roadmap. Guys, my name is Chirag and I'm a founder of this leading AI company called as Black Elephant. We have been working for many years helping professionals like you successfully transition their career into AI and data science, provide them massive salary hike and career growth. If you're someone who's looking to transition their career and want a success blueprint that is absolutely foolproof and tried and tested, then I have an upcoming 2-day workshop that might be of interest for you. In this 2-day workshop, I'm going to give you a clear-cut roadmap and a curriculum that will help you reach to a level where you can demand a salary upwards of 50 to 60 LPA at least. So if this is of some interest to you, then just in 99 rupees, you get access to my workshop and get access to this wonderful roadmap and a blueprint. So what are you waiting for? Click on the link below, join the workshop by just paying 99 and I'll see you inside.
Abacus magic in my hands, moving beats with fine plans, counting dreams from far and wide. Numbers dance with endless pride. Wooden frame, ancient lore, history's math on my floor. Slide of beats from left to right, wisdom shines in candlelight. Once upon a time we go, adding life to ebb and flow. Beats of knowledge in a row, secrets that the numbers show. Digits whisper soft and clear, guiding us as we draw near. Abacus in hand, my dear, future paths so clear. Mathematic hands of skill, turning time with quiet thrill. From the past to future bright, Abacus our guiding light. Counting steps from dawn to dusk, wooden frame with no rust. In the beats our answers trust, solving mysteries is a must. Once upon a time we go, adding life to ebb and flow. Beats of knowledge in a row, secrets that the numbers show. Digits whisper soft and clear, guiding us as we draw near. Abacus in hand, my dear, future paths so clear. Ancient tool in modern hands, we connect through far-off lands. Stay in touch with complex means, counting more than just our dreams. Slide of beats, let thoughts align, ancient wisdom intertwined. Abacus stands the test of time, guiding hearts with rhythmic rhyme. Once upon a time we go, adding life to ebb and flow. Beats of knowledge in a row, secrets that the numbers show. Digits whisper soft and clear, guiding us as we draw near. Abacus in hand, my dear, future paths so clear. फाइट में, रूठे को मनाने में, कुछ खास बनाने में, सबके लिए राइट, न्यूट्रल लाइट, सबके लिए राइट,
न्यूट्रल लाइट है सबके लिए राइट।
सबके लिए राइट, न्यूट्रल लाइट।
The magic of Abacus. Once upon a time, in a small village, there was a boy named Arjun who loved playing outside but dreaded math. Numbers confused him, and no matter how hard he tried, he couldn't keep up with his classmates. His teacher often reminded him, math is like a key that unlocks the doors to many opportunities. But Arjun only felt more frustrated. One day, while wandering through the market, he noticed an old man sitting under a tree with a wooden frame filled with colorful beads. Curious, Arjun approached him and asked, "What are you doing with that strange thing?" The old man smiled and replied, "This is an abacus, my boy. It's not just a tool, it's a magic wand for numbers. Would you like to try it?" Arjun hesitated, but nodded. The old man placed the abacus in his hands and taught him how to slide the beads to add, subtract, and even multiply numbers. At first, Arjun found it tricky, but soon he realized the beads helped him see numbers in a new way. It was like a game, and the more he practiced, the better he got. Weeks passed, and Arjun's confidence grew. He began solving problems faster than ever, even outpacing his classmates. His teacher noticed the change and asked him how he improved so much. Arjun proudly held up the abacus and said, "This little tool taught me how to think clearly, step by step." The teacher smiled and addressed the entire class. The abacus is more than a tool for calculations. It trains your brain to focus, visualize numbers, and solve problems efficiently. Learning to use it is like building a strong foundation for everything else you want to achieve. From that day, the abacus became a part of every student's life in the village. Arjun, who once struggled, became a math whiz, helping his friends learn and inspiring others to embrace the magic of the abacus.
Okay. So let's see what is an abacus first. This is our abacus. Can you see my screen? I'll pin myself. Wait for a minute. Yes. There's like abacus are of many types. There is one Chinese abacus and there is one Japanese abacus. The difference is in Chinese abacus, this type of abacus is used. Okay? In Chinese, this type of abacus is used. So we are now learning Chinese abacus. But in Japanese abacus, things are a bit different. If I want to show you, I'll share the screen to you. I'll search it for you. Yes. So Japanese abacus is called soroban, but we'll not use soroban right here because the techniques are a bit different. Okay. So if you see the picture of a soroban, can you see there are 5 beads here? But in the abacus that we use, it is there are 4 beads, not 5, right? Let me show you the Chinese abacus as well. We are using the Chinese abacus only. Okay, so the Chinese abacus is called swan pan. What is it called? Swan pan. And it is something like this.
रेक्सोना डिओड्रेंट रोके तन की बदबू को जो पसीने और बैक्टीरिया के कारण होती है। इसका 72 आवर ओडो प्रोटेक्शन आपको रखे शावर फ्रेश दिन भर।
डांसिंग चले
Why not? Rabo shavo fresh दिन भर Rexona.
पाउडर के दाम पे पाउच, पाउडर के दाम पे लिक्विड पाउच,
सर्फ एक्सेल मैटिक 1 लीटर लिक्विड पाउच पाउडर के दाम पे सिर्फ 149 रुपए में.
Okay. See, it is something like this. This is a traditional one that I'm showing you. We have different because we are now in modern times, so we don't use the traditional one. But the things that they used before, they were made of jute, ropes, leaves. So they did not have a proper formation of abacus like we have today. But they had this abacus, and this was the very first calculating device. Okay. So in the history, if you go, when you learn history, you will get to know that the first ever calculating device in the whole world, in the whole wide world, on Earth, it was abacus. Before that, people used to use stones, leaves, rocks, many other things to do calculations. But now they made an abacus, which is something kind of looks like this in modern times, but before it used to look different. Like I told you, the Swan pan and the Soro one. Okay. So this is a kind of mixture of Swan pan and Soro one, because Soro pan has 1 bead here and Swan pan has 4 beads here. Okay. Now we'll study the parts of abacus. So till here, is it clear? Unmute yourself and tell me.
it's clear.
It's clear. Okay. Anything you want to ask about it?
No.
No. Okay. I will tell you one more fact, that the computer programs in the older times were based on abacus. Do you know that?
No, ma'am.
So they were entirely based on abacus calculations, computer programs, everything. So abacus was a very essential tool that time, and now in medieval times it has lost its value. Okay, but now we are bringing it up again, and we are teaching it to children like you are about to learn abacus, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now I'll share my screen and I'll show you the picture of an abacus. Okay. Tell me if you can see it, and then we'll learn the parts of abacus, because learning the parts of abacus is very simple, very easy. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Give me a minute. Yes. So please tell me if you can see my screen. Okay, wait a minute. I'll just share my screen. Yes. Can you see my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Very good. So, like I told you, that there are 2 different types of abacus, Swan pan and Soro pan. Soro pan is the Japanese one, Swan pan is the Chinese one. But the contrast is here, okay? Yes. In Soroban, upper beads. In this one, there are only 1 bead. But in the downside, there are 5 beads. Okay. And in this one pan, that is a Chinese one, on the upper side, they have 2 beads, and lower side, they have only 4 beads. So the abacus we're going to learn is the contrast of these both. Okay? So don't be confused if we are using the Soroban or the Swan pan. We are using the contrast of it, which you can also call Indian abacus or just normal abacus. Okay? Now we are going to learn about the parts of abacus. Concentrate very carefully, look at my screen, look at my video as well. Okay? So now this whole portion, this portion is divided with this portion. Okay, but what holds them, excuse me, what holds them together is this thing, the frame of the abacus. What is it? The frame of the abacus. If you can see on your abacus, Jadivan, wait a minute. If you can see on your abacus here and my abacus as well, see this black outline that is here on the abacus, this outline is called the frame of the abacus. What is it called? Repeat after me. Frame of the abacus. Okay?
हर दिन चाहिए सालों वाला लुक, है ना? पर हर दिन सालों जाना impossible. तो फिर?
But Kiara, salon तो घर पे है. Tresemme Keratin Smooth, your salon professional. With keratin and argan oil, frizz control करे 72 hours तक.
हर दिन रहो स्टाइलिश, रहो तैयार. Tresemme, अब घर पे salon.
Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm writing it on the board as well so you don't forget. This is very easy, nothing to learn about it, just you have to know. This is the frame. I hope you can see my screen. Good evening, Ananshi. We are just revising our previous lessons, so focus, okay? Okay, Ananshi? Chalo. Now, we have learned about frame. You can see on my screen as well. Frame. Now, what next we are going to learn about? The divisor. Okay. So, basically, what is a divisor? See, this is a divisor. What is it? This is a divisor. Okay, it has many different names. Many nicknames at home. Samita must have nicknames at home. Shri must have nicknames at home. I also have nicknames at home, right? So, divisor also has many names. So you can't say you call it divisor only. You can call it by many names. Okay. So it is divisor. Then there is divider or the bar. Okay. 3 different names. Repeat after me. Divisor. Unmute yourself. Repeat after me.
Device.
Divisor.
Divisor.
Divider.
Divider.
Bar.
Bar.
Keep yourself unmuted. Don't mute yourself again and again when I'm sending you to repeat. Shall we do once more? Divisor. Repeat after me. You're unmuted.
Yes, ma'am.
Repeat after me. Divisor.
Divisor.
Divider.
Divider.
And bar.
Bar.
Okay. Okay. I see Ridwan is a bit shy. Are you? There is no need to be shy in front of me. You can consider me as a... I'm not that old. I am just in 7th standard. So you can consider me as your friend. Okay? So don't be shy in front of me. If you have any doubt, please ask me. Because see, with doubt you cannot learn anything. Either you clear your doubts or you just sit there. So it is better to clear your doubts instead of just sitting there. You know? Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I've written all the 3 names here: divider, divisor, and bar. I'll be using the word bar for it. Okay. So don't be confused. Ki, what is divider, what is divisor, what is bar? All the three are same. Different names for the same thing. Okay? Now, any doubt till here? Ridwan, Samita, Shri, any doubt? Yes, no reply?
No, ma'am.
Now see, why do we call it divider? Because it is dividing our beads. You can see now कि these beads are separate from these beads are separated from these beads. Why? Because we have different work of these beads. Okay, you can see on my abacus as well or on your abacus as well. These beads are separated from each other. Why? Because they have a different meaning to it. They have different values. They are used for different individual things. Okay, now see. Here, this bead. This bead is called the upper bead. What is it called? Upper bead. Repeat after me. Upper bead.
Upper beam.
Upper bead. And this whole deck, this whole line is called the upper deck. What is it called? The upper deck.
Upper
Okay.
deck.
Right. Now these beads are called lower beads. What are they called? Lower beads.
Beats.
And this whole line of them is called the lower deck. What is it called? The lower deck.
Incoming, my latest drop, the Maybelline Sunkisser Hazy Matte Blush. You guys, I've been swimming, eating, vibing, chilling with just this one look. The shades are so pigmented and so gorgeous, you guys. They literally last all day in the sun. Never doing summer without my Sunkisser blush. From Maybelline, New York. ये मेरी लाइफ का सबसे बेस्ट पल है। आईवीएफ से मुझे मिला खुद का बच्चा पाने का बेस्ट मौका।
इंदिरा आईवीएफ की खास टेक्निक देती है आने वाले बच्चे को एक नेचुरल गर्भ जैसा वातावरण। इंदिरा आईवीएफ।
Understood till here?
Yes, ma'am.
See, now I'll tell you the difference. Why are they called? Because upper beads, they are on the upper side. They are on the upper side of the abacus. But the lower beads, they are on the lower side of the abacus. The lower beads and upper beads. Okay? Okay, Ridhavan?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now next, we'll study about monitors. Okay? Monitors are very important in abacus because that is where you get to do the placing. Okay? But before monitors, we'll learn about rods as well. Rods are simple, easy. These lines you can see. Wait. Can you see these lines?
Yes, ma'am.
These lines are holding the abacus on place. You can see in your abacus as well. Ridwan, Samita, Shri. See.
Monitors. Mama, know the monitors.
That was what they're saying. Ki I am making you revise everything. Yes. See here, can you see these rods?
Mom? Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Samita?
Mom, are you having speed writing?
Repeat.
Mom, are we having the speed writing?
In the last 5 minutes, I will say. Okay? Yes. Can you see these rods? These rods are holding the abacus in place, and these rods play a very, very, very important role because they are used for our calculations. Okay? Now next we'll learn about monitors. Very simple, very easy, but very important as well. Yes. So now what are monitors? Can you see these white dots on your abacus? Small white dots.
Yes, ma'am.
Now these white dots are called the sorry, excuse me. And these white dots are called the monitors, or you can also say the white dots or anything you want, but mainly they're called monitors only. Okay, now see, monitors are called. Repeat.
Ma'am, there are 5 monitors.
Yes, correct. See, there are 5 monitors in your abacus. I'm coloring these with yellow, orange, so I hope you can see these. Not these. These are the monitors. They are placed on 5 different rods. You can see on my abacus as well. See, 5 different. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay? These are called monitors. We use them for placing. So these are some specific rods. अब देखो, when you do any calculation on in your math, Ridwan, are you listening?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, when you do any calculations in your math notebook, or when your teacher asks you something, what is the first thing that you see? Ones place, huh? Ones place. Ones place is very important.
Yes, ma'am.
Place value, है ना? Now see, place value is very important in math, obviously. Here also it is very important. But how do we figure it out? By the help of the monitors. Now see, how will we find, or where we'll do all the calculations? Where will we find it? Can you see my abacus?
Yes, ma'am.
Count 2 monitors from your right side, 2 monitors from your left side. The middle one, which is left, this one, is your one rod. Okay? 2 monitors from this side, 2 monitors from this side. What monitor that is left in between is called the one rod. Okay?
माँ के प्यार में, उनके दुलार में, बच्चों की शैतानी में, कभी मनमानी में, सबके लिए right, neutralize, सबके लिए right, neutralize, सबके साथ में, छुट्टी से रात में, सबके लिए right, neutralize, भैया के special diet में, छोटी छोटी fight में.
You have to send it to me. And Krishika, one more thing. Every time you write something in my class, or every time you do something, or any homework you do, you have to send it to me every day. Okay?
Okay.
So I will get to know if you have done your work or not. Okay? So now we'll start with the introduction of our abacus. So this is what an abacus looks like. Okay? Can you see my screen?
Yes.
This is what an abacus looks like. And abacus is originally from China. Okay?
Okay.
So we have 2 kinds of abacus, Chinese and Japanese. Okay? And abacus was originally originated from China. Abacus was made for doing calculations, for arithmetic operations, because at that time, in ancient times, we did not had a calculator or a computer. We just had stones, leaves, sticks, and from that we used to count. And that was really difficult to count because if I want to do a big number, suppose we'll take a mere number only, 16 plus 14. So it will be 30, but you will have to take so much time to do just this thing. What if you have to multiply something? It could take time, right? So they introduced abacus to the world, okay? And abacus made our life easier. That's why the computing of the first computer was based on Abacus. Do you know this? The computers, when they were made, their programming, their computing was done on the basis of Abacus. You know, Ada Lovelace, she was the programmer, okay? She is known as the programmer of computers. So there were zeros and ones based on this Abacus concept only, okay? So you can see how Abacus made our lives easier, right? He used it in computers also, in calculations also, right?
Yes.
Okay. Now, Shri, are you also understanding? Do you have any doubt?
No.
Hmm. Now you've understood what Abacus is about. And one more thing, this is the first calculation tool ever introduced to us. Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I want to ask, how did this China abacus come in India?
You know, Chinese, they were very good marketers. Whatever they made, they marketed it really well. So when their marketing was going all over the world, it came to us also. Okay.
All countries are our only.
When you produce something, when you make something, people get to know about it. When people get to know about it by your marketing, then they tell other people. So that's how we also got to know. The many countries got to know. I don't know if every country knows what abacus is, because many people I know they also don't know what abacus is. So it's not like the key in India everybody knows, or in any other country everybody knows. No, it's not like that. Few people know, few people don't know. Okay, understood?
Yes, ma'am.
So you can remember one thing, that Chinese were great marketers. Okay. Now see, yes, we were discussing. So now I was telling you one more thing, that this was the first ever calculation tool introduced to us. Okay, and this was a really nice calculation tool for us to use. Okay. Now I will tell you the parts of abacus. Okay, and you have to memorize them. There are very only few. It is really very easy. Okay. And Shri, I want to see your notes today. Okay, send me those after the class in a beautiful handwriting. You can use highlighters if you want to. Unmute yourself.
My abacus.
No, wait. Don't bring your abacus right now. Just focus on my screen. Now see here. On my abacus, you can see this black line that is covering our abacus, that is holding our abacus in place. Yes or no?
Yes.
Prishika, Shri?
Yes, ma'am.
So now this is called as the frame of our abacus. Like you have seen photo frames, right? There is one behind me also. See this one, can you see? The horse one.
Yes, ma'am.
See a black line is covering it. It is like framing it. This will be called as a frame of frame of the photo. Right?
Right now I see my picture hanging on the wall. That also has it.
Yes, every photo frame has it. Our abacus also has it. This is called the frame of our abacus, okay? This line, this full line. Okay? Now, can you see we have beads that are separated?
Yes.
Yes? See, now what is separating them? See carefully. This black line, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, this black line is not called the frame, okay? Shri, wait. This black line is not called the frame because it is inside. Hai. So what will it be called? It will be called as the divisor or the divider or the bar. Okay, why it will be called like that? Let me tell you. Now see, it is dividing two things, right? it is telling us ki this is another type of beads and these are another types of beads. So it is dividing something, segregating something, separating something. So that what will it be called? A divider only, right? So this is called a divider. But if you want other names also, so you can call it as divisor or a bar and a divider. Okay?
डव बार में है न्यूट्रिएंट सीरम जो आपको दे हेल्दी और नरिश त्वचा। नया सर्फ एक्सेल इजी वॉश 4 kg पैक, बड़ा पैक बड़ा फायदा, बचाए ₹150।
Okay, understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Both of you, if you have any doubt, ask me. Krishika, no doubt? Krishika, do you have any doubts? No? Okay, very good. And I don't think she also has a doubt, right? Do you have any doubt, Shri?
No.
Very good. Well then, we'll move to the next part. Now, see that these are separated, right? These are separated. So this is a one line of beads and this is one deck of beads. This is called the lower deck because it is on the lower side, on the lower part of our abacus, downwards. And these are called the upper beads or the upper deck. Sorry for my mispronunciation. Upper beads or upper deck because they are on the upper side, the higher side of our abacus. That's why they are called upper beads or the upper deck. Okay? Very easy to remember. Okay? Because upper beads means up, lower beads means down. Okay? Now see here, we have some things that are holding them in place. These things, see these black lines, can you see?
Yes.
Small. These are called the rods. Okay?
Yes.
Rods. And have you seen the curtains in your house?
Excuse me, ma'am. I'm rejoining because I can't hear you.
Okay, join.
Ma'am, can I rejoin?
Rejoin. Okay, Krishika will continue. She already knows that it was a revision for her. She's made some notes so we can continue. Okay. I've made her revise many times. Okay. So you'll have to revise it many times. Okay.
Okay.
So one thing in my class that you will revise the topics a lot. So you get to, understand that and you do not have to read them again and again to learn. Okay.
Okay.
And one more thing, if you join the classes, you have to buy a 17 rod abacus, okay?
Okay.
And then we'll work on it. But first, let me tell you. Yes, tell.
I had a abacus in India, but now we left it.
Okay, that's perfectly fine, okay? You can buy it anytime you want, okay? But fast, okay? Not in the end of our course, okay? So see here, now we were doing the lower deck and the upper deck. We have done that. Now rods. See, have you seen curtains in your house? I actually don't have here. We had some here. But when you see, there are small rings on your curtains, right? And you pierce them through the rod, right?
Yes.
And the rod is holding it in place. So that kind of rod we have here also. It is of black color and it is holding our all the beads in place, okay?
Okay.
See, I have a broken abacus there, so the rods to you see, this was broken by this broke by accident, so I just show it to you to make you understand. See, in reality, these are like this, okay? See? Okay?
Okay.
Now, have you understood everything that I've explained to you?
Yes.
No doubt?
No.
See, if you have any doubt, just ask me because if you don't ask your doubts now, then you will not be able to understand. So anytime you have a doubt, you can give me a call or in the class only you can ask, okay? Just wait a minute, just wait a minute. Now, while we are waiting for Ananshi to come, I can show you a demo of questions that I can do by Abacus, right?
Yes.
So wait a minute, I'll just assemble this thing.
रेक्सोना डिओड्रेंट रोके तन की बदबू को जो पसीने और बैक्टीरिया के कारण होती है। इसका 72 आवर ओडो प्रोटेक्शन आपको रखे शावर फ्रेश दिन भर। डांसिंग चले? Why not? रहो शावर फ्रेश दिन भर। रेक्सोना।
So, see, with Abacus, you can do addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Although for arithmetic operation, you can take out LCM, HCF, that will come in your higher classes. Okay, LCM, HCF, you can take out of it. You can do decimal numbers. You can take out the percentage. You can do many other things. Okay, big multiplications, big additions, big subtractions, and divisions. Okay.
Okay.
So now, as I was explaining to you, that those are what rods look like. Okay. Now see, can on my Abacus, do you see some white dots?
Yes.
See, how many dots are there? Count.
5 dots.
Very good. Correct. 5 dots. So now, in your school, have you studied ones place?
Yes.
So now, see, whenever I have to plus a number, I need to see where my ones dot is, right?
Yes.
So, by these white dots, we find out where the rods are. Okay. So, what are these white dots called? The monitors. Okay.
Okay.
The monitors. Okay.
Okay.
So now, see, how will I find out where is my one dot? It is usually in the middle. So see, can you see this middle dot?
Yes.
This is our one dot. How did I find it out? 2 dots from my right and 2 dots from my left. 1 dot left in between. That rod, the rod with this white dot in the middle, is called as the one dot. Okay?
Okay.
So here I will plus all my numbers from 1 to 9, okay? And 0 to. Understood? Any doubt? No. Okay. Now see, one thing you have to understand that the value of lower beats is always 1.
Okay.
Okay. And the value of upper beats is always 5. So if I ask you what is the value of upper beat, what will you answer me?
Huh?
What is the value of one upper beat? What will you answer me?
I didn't understand what did you said the answer.
Okay, I will tell you. See, every upper beat, these are upper beats. These have a value of 5. They indicate the number 5. Okay?
Okay.
And these lower beats, they indicate the number 1.
Okay.
So if I ask you a question now, that what is the value of 1 upper beat, what will you answer me?
The value of upper beat.
Yes.
5.
Very good. And the value of lower beat?
1.
Very good, very good. So now in your first class, you're doing very well. That is a good sign. Okay? Wait a minute.
है बेटा?
हर दिन चाहिए सैलून वाला लुक, है ना? पर हर दिन सैलून जाना इम्पॉसिबल। तो फिर?
But Kiara, salon तो घर पे है. Tresemme Keratin Smooth, your salon professional. With keratin and argan oil, frizz control करे 72 hours तक.
हर दिन रहो स्टाइलिश, रहो तैयार। ट्रेसमे, अब घर पे सैलून।
And it will be fast, okay? Recording. Okay, so now we're going to start with flashcards 1, 2, and 3 digit. Okay. First, Joe start. First. Second. Third. Fourth. Fifth. With random numbers 1 and 2 digit mix. First column start. 3, 9, 14, 27, 82, 96, 6, 9, 4, 9. First column completed. Next column start. 72, 89, 64, 52, 67, 85, 69, 49, 8, 9. Second column completed. Third column. 49, 62, 55, 69, 64, 12, 18, 4, 3, 9. Third column completed. Fourth column start. 5, 9, 1, 0, 10, 11, 12, 9, 16, 4. Fourth column completed. Fifth column start. 6, 7, 4, 9, 2, 6, 2, 8, 6, 6. That is 5 columns completed, huh? Right? Okay, I'm going to check the answers. So, Anya?
Yes, ma'am.
Speak the first column first.
3, 9, 14, 27, 82, 96, 6, 9, 4, 9.
Very good, all correct. Second column.
72, 89, 64, 52, 67, 85, 69, 49, 8, 9.
Very good. Please, both of you, all the students, please check first and second column I'm telling, okay? First column answers 3, 9, 14, 27, 82, 96, 6, 9, 4, 9. Okay? Second column 72, 89, 64, 52, 67, 85, 69, 49, 8, 9. Okay? Now third column, answer
49, 62, 55, 69, 64, 12, 18, 4, 3, 9.
Very good, all correct. I am speaking the third line answers, third column answers. Please check. 49, 62, 55, 69, 64, 12, 18, 4, 3, 9. Okay? Rushika, fourth column. Unmute yourself, I can't hear you. Rushika, please unmute yourself. I can't hear you. Is there some network issue? Rushika, can you hear me? Anya and Ansel, am I audible to you? I think she can't hear me.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you hear me, Rushika? I think Rushika cannot hear me. Ansel, you speak the fourth line.
5, 9, 1, 0, 10, 11, 12, 9, 16, 4.
Correct, all correct. I'm speaking the fourth line. 5, 9, 1, 0, 10, 11, 12, 9, 16, 4. Okay. Can you hear me, Rushika? Please speak the fifth line.
6, 7, 4, 9, 2, 6, 2, 8, 6, 6.
Very good, correct, all correct. I'm speaking the fifth column again. 6, 7, 4, 9, 2, 6, 2, 8, 6, 6. That is all 5 columns you have completed, okay?
पाउडर के दाम पे पाउच पाउडर के दाम पे लिक्विड पाउच सर्फ एक्सेलमैटिक 1 लीटर लिक्विड पाउच पाउडर के दाम पे सिर्फ 149 में
Kerastase, new gloss absolute with hyaluronic and glycolic acids, wild rose and oil, glazes your hair. 4 days anti-frizz, bouncy, glossy hair, mesmerizing scent, new gloss absolute, Kerastase.
Now we are going to start our flashcards. So as you already know, I have made you do some flashcards before also. I will show you some cards. You have to write it in your notebook, like which number is that, okay? Or wait, we can do one thing. Wait. We can do one thing. You just have to tell me orally कि कौन सा number है, ठीक है? And when you are good in this, then we'll start doing bigger numbers also. Bigger numbers also and the writing also. Okay, I'll show it really fast, so tell me really fast, okay? 1 digit and 2 digit mix, okay? 3, 2, 1, start. First.
2.
Very good. Louder. Tell me louder, okay? Louder.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Second.
3,
Very good. Third.
1,
Very good. Fourth.
11,
Good. Fifth.
83,
Very good. Next.
71,
Very good. Next.
59,
Good. Next.
8,
Good. Next.
9,
Good. Next.
10,
Good. Next.
5,
Good. Next.
6,
Good. Next.
76,
Good. Next.
47,
Good. Next.
40,
Good. Next.
18,
Good. Next.
29,
Good. Next.
5.
Nice. Very nice. Next.
20.
Nice. Very good.
19.
Good. Very good, Shri. You're progressing really good. Next.
92.
Nice. Very good. Next.
90.
Good. Next.
14.
Excellent. Next.
24.
Nice. Next.
50.
Good. Next.
53.
Nice. Next.
7.
Very good. Next.
28.
Good. Very good. Next.
4.
Good. Next.
15.
Nice. Next.
17.
Very nice. Next.
13.
Very nice. Next.
25.
Very good. Next.
16.
Very good. Chalo, very good, Shri. All your cards were correct. I hope like approximately I have showed you a 99 cards, like many cards I've shown you. Okay, so very good, Shri. Okay, now what we will do is we will try to do 3-digit. Okay, just try and do it. Okay, I haven't explained it to you yet, but we can try, right? We can try anything. Yes, we can try. Yes. First.
100.
Very good. Next.
150.
Very good. Next.
135.
Good. Next.
120.
Very good. Next.
128.
No. Say it again.
118.
Very good. Now 18 is correct. Okay. Next. Wait. It's tilted.
899.
Very good. Next.
611.
Very good. Next.
750.
Very good. Next.
800.
Very good, Shri. Very good. You have been practicing. Next.
525.
Okay, wait a minute. Yes, 525 is correct. Very good. Next.
555.
Very good, Shri. Next.
550.
Very good. Next.
104.
Very good. Next.
107.
Very good. Next.
125. 115.
15 is correct. Very good. Next.
161. 165.
Very good. Chalo, Shri, see. Now, what we did, you tried doing these, okay, and you were able to do them. Okay, that is a very good thing. Now, see, if you are able to do these, then you will be able to do bigger numbers also. So, if you practice more at home, then you will be able to do many other things also. So, practice at home. Now, see, I'm really happy with you that you're doing. But if you were not able to do like one digit also, then I would be a little angry with you, right? Because then you haven't even practiced, right? But now you have practiced, and it is a really very good thing that you have practiced, and encourage you to practice more. Okay. Now on the group, send me your practice update कि हाँ मैम मैंने practice कर ली है, हाँ मैम मैंने practice नहीं करी आज, sorry, आज मैं क्लास नहीं ज्वाइन कर पाऊंगी, या फिर मैंने आज ये करा है. आप मुझे से मैसेज कर सकते हो, ठीक है. Now join this class again. Okay. Yes, tell.
Yes.
Tell them.
Ma'am, I can't do it, but I can do one thing because my mother is not at home. I can do one thing. I have somebody at home who take care of me and my little sister, and I would send it on her phone to my mama, and my mama will send it to you.
Okay, very good. At night also you can send it, okay? There's nothing such as कि आप रात को नहीं भेज सकते. Now join the class again.